Alright, go.
If I don't want to take off the sandals, I can't run with some fucking small sandals.
Well, Melanie, you only slip like on this kind of floor on grass.
You film.
Oh shit!
Film.
I'm filming. How do you film? Like this?
Yeah, don't press any of the buttons in the middle, okay? Just film it. Oh. Okay, watch me make
Can we do my plan now?
Alright. Make the
Alright,
plan. I want to be like Alderman at it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
That's an awesome fucking plan.
5 Mississippi. We're waiting until the next fucking lane, okay?
Chrissy, I don't think it's gonna rain.
Yeah, you got the really pissed off for being such a dumbass.
Please stop raining.
Oh, rain god of oh shit, this is gonna work. Come on. Come on.
You just like that.
I got so great.
I want to do what the hippies just did. Ready? No rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain. No,
you're doing your sun god. See, look, you made a rainbow.
More rain, more rain, more rain, more.
Are you ready? I'm gonna take off my sandals, okay?
Oh please, Almighty God of rain.
Alright, please. You know what? Let's pray. Let's
For at least 5 seconds.
You know how to pray? Oh God, Lord. Help me. Ready, go.
Run, Will, run!
Run! You get electrocuted. That was not gonna be funny. I'll try.
Oh, get it!
You can't.
That way!
She ran again. Go.
You're,
Let's run together. Oh,
you're like a fucking dumbass.
where do we go?
Wait, lightning doesn't land like places people live, right? Lightning lands like on open fields, like over there, which we will not run over there.
Why? Why not open field?
Hey, come on, Mel, let's go. We're
Where
together.
do we go?
We're going this way.
Go to that house. Ready, go. Run, run.
Yeah, sure. I'll wait for you people, okay? And we're off. Oh fuck! Ay, fue la chingada. Vamos, let's go, bro. Let's go.
We made it, guys.
Roger,
that plan worked.
Where's Lizzie go?